how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be.
What's going on, guys? And look at what phone we got here. We got the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So let's get this thing opened up. Okay, and here she is. Of course, you know, we had to get the bronze color with that big thick camera hump. What's new, right? So let's see here. Comes with the SIM tool. Let's see what else it comes with. What, just a little booklet right here. You know, the usual, guys, the usual. Let's see what Samsung ended up putting out. Okay, so we got the USB-C charging brick. Oh, and there it went. And we got a USB-C to C cable. No headphone. No headphone. No headphones. Let's see. Did it even come with replacement tips? Damn. Wow, not even replacement S Pen tips. Wow. Damn, Samsung really cheaped out on this one, guys. This is very unacceptable. So let's just put this back in the box right here. Okay. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me boot up the phone turn it on and get it going. Okay, guys. Let's see here. We got the phone booted up. So I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, unfortunately this is T-Mobile variant for now, just because they're the only ones that had it available. I mean, the phone seems pretty solid. Camera looks pretty decent. I'll include some shots on the video. But I mean, guys, to be honest, I mean, this phone is cool and everything. It looks good. It seems decent. But is it really worth the money? I mean, let me bring out the other phone here for comparisons. Let's see here if I still have it. Oh, sorry, that's a OnePlus. Okay, here we go. So here's Note 10 Plus for comparison. Okay, yeah, the Ultra is a little bit bigger or taller, but it's a lot thicker, even in comparison with the camera hump. Here, let me see if I can put them side by side real quick. You can see the thickness is way thicker on the Ultra, just because they had to do for this camera hump, and it does have that iPhone glass for the back style. I mean, it's alright, I guess, but is it really worth $1,300? I don't think so. Let's see here. Here's the pen. It's in bronze, of course. Let's see here. Let's do a little quick little note. It's alright. It works pretty decent. I mean, I don't know, guys. I have mixed feelings about this phone. I am going to try it out for a little bit, and I will keep you guys posted. And if this phone ends up being a dumpster fire in my view, which most likely it will be, I'll probably end up doing a giveaway on this phone or something. We'll do like a raffle giveaway on it or something. But other than that, guys, I will post some pictures comparing it with the Note 10, and we'll do some giggles too and include the Moto Edge Plus. So I'll do a couple of pictures here towards the end of the video. And yeah, I mean, this is just a simple unboxing, guys. It's not like I'm going too detailed with it. You know, it's Snapdragon 865 Plus, X55 modem, which is the same modem as the S20 Ultra. I mean, what else can I say? You know, it's not that impressive to me, but for you guys it might be. Here, I'll do a quick little speed test for T-Mobile. And and then I'll grab the other phone that I have, an S20 Plus for T-Mobile, and we can do a comparison. Here, while this is finishing up, guys, let me grab this S20 Plus, and we will compare to that. So, I mean, those are the speeds right there. I mean, it's decent, it's alright. Let me get this S20 Plus loaded and I'll be right back. Okay, S20 Plus. Maybe the antenna configuration is a little better on the Note 20 Ultra. So let's do another test real quick. It's interesting to see the modem configuration. Maybe the antennas are a little better on this phone. Okay, let's take out this case too. So it looks like the speeds are pretty much on par between the S20 Plus and the Ultra, the Note 20 Ultra 5G, you know, with these fancy names. But I mean, it seems like maybe the antenna configuration, it might be better on the Note 20 Ultra 5G. But other than that, it's pretty much close to like. I will put pictures, like I said, on the end of this video, guys, and that's it. I don't really got much to say about this. This is not an exciting piece. Have a good one.